Ever feel like your neck is locked up, or you hear cracking and popping every time you move? That could be a sign of joint instability. It's another reason why whatever you do, don't ever purposely try to crack your own neck. That's not a good thing. It may give you some temporary relief, but down the road, it's actually adding to the problem. When some muscles become weak and others get too tight, your joints don't move the way they should. Instead, certain areas become overworked while others become stiff and restricted. This leads to improper movement patterns, what we call faulty movement patterns, that put extra stress on your spine, making your pain worse over time.